LED lighted. This looks fun. That's a headband ring. So you play toss. You put this shark headband on your head and you play toss, the toss game with it. That looks pretty neat. They have an LED lighted tiara. It says batteries are included. They have pink and clear. There's a lot of them, and they're $1.25. They have some Justice League miniatures. So here is armored Batman, and we have regular Batman. These are little, and this is Cyborg. We have Superman. They have a spiral art kit in different colors. I see orange down there. There's a 48-piece Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle puzzle. It looks like it's round. They have miniature clothes hangers or photo hangers. They're real little. I'm going to get a pack for my Barbies. They're multicolored. They have some really great 500-piece puzzles. If you guys like the puzzle that I put together last time, let me know and I'll put another puzzle together. It must be small puzzles because it says 500 pieces. Here's the size. 18.25 by 11 inches. They have a new Minnie Mouse gift bag. It's beautiful. It's very colorful. Let's see if it's $1.25. I think it is. Let's see if they have other ones. Disney Princess. It is a big gift bag too. I'll try to find the size. Here's a very large Frozen gift bag. It's got all the characters on it. It's very pretty. I found a mini Tic Tac Toe travel game, and you just turn over the little X's and O's to play it. This is really nice. It's $1.25. It's a squishy toy. I like this stick-on dartboard. You can't get hurt playing that one. $1.25. Hey, Halloween fans, I have Disney Junior Vampirina Jumbo playing cards. Vampirina. Now, the little miniature dolls are at Big Lots still. I saw them the other day. They also have Minnie Mouse and Trolls. Onward. Let's see what Onward looks like. Onward looks cool, but they have all different kinds. They have chutes and ladders, and here's Battleship. These are just $1.25. There's also Monopoly, Sorry, and Trouble. They have little packs of rhinestones in different colors you can decorate your Barbie clothes with. Here's an applique of a butterfly. They have different kinds of designs with crystals. Here's some more jewel borders you can put on your Barbie clothes or decorations for something else. This one's nice because it has a lot of colors. This looks new. It's a little toy shovel and rake set for gardening or sand, or even snow. They have different colors. Here's some Disney Junior Mickey Mouse 3D stickers. And they have, behind it they have LOL. That's really cute. You get 9 3D stickers. Right, these are make it blocks. So here, this is a set of spacemen. And they have a set of Coast Guard. And here's the monster truckers. Wow, here's sorcerers, wizards, sorcerers. They have a paper pack. It's really thick and it has all different kinds of paper in there for projects. And they have different kinds, different colors. It's really nice. I'm surprised at all the acrylic paint they have. They have it in all different colors, and these are 3-ounce tubes. This is a Dollar Tree. There's a 50-piece set of little miniature clothespins. Look at my finger. I'm going to get these for my Barbies. They're very, very small. I really like them for dolls. We have some new metal cars in. All different kinds. There's a blue truck. Here's what looks like a Jeep or a Hummer. They have sports cars. There's a whole box of them. They just came in. Here's the Hobbit. 3D playing cards. That's pretty neat. They're $1.25. Alright, Halloween fans, I found a skull bubble blower. This is a bubble play set and it has a skull in there for $1.25. That's a good one for Halloween. So they have some vinyl, paper, permanent crafting paper. This one's blue, but they have light blue and yellow, purple, black, red. They have all kinds of colors. It's $1.25. We have a spiral art kit.